Jupiter is a decentralized exchange aggregator on the Solana blockchain. I will explain you more about Jupiter. While I am confirming my wallet, you should do the same. Essentially, it helps you find the best trading rates across various decentralized exchanges for swapping tokens. With Jupiter, you can swap tokens instantly, set limit orders, and manage your trades, all without leaving the Solana network. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, Jupiter offers an intuitive interface with powerful trading features. When you first open Jupiter, you'll see a simple interface. At the top, you have a menu with options like Spot, Perps, Ape, and more. The main navigation button here is Spot, which is the section for instant swaps and limit orders, and where you'll likely spend most of your time. Below the menu, you'll see options to switch between Swap, Limit, DCA, and VA, Vault, and Aggregator. Swap mode allows you to instantly exchange one token for another. Limit mode lets you place limit orders, which means you set a price at which you want to buy or sell. The DCA feature, dollar cost averaging, is for gradually buying into a position over time, and VA, or Vault and Aggregator, gives you access to vaults for yield farming. And here's where it all begins. In the first screenshot, I'm opening the Jupiter interface, ready to start a trade. You'll want to select the token pairs you're trading, in this case, SOL/USDC. You can toggle between swap for instant exchanges or limit for more controlled trading. Now let's back up and look at how to swap SOL for USDC instantly. Here I've selected swap mode, which is the fastest way to exchange one token for another on Jupiter. You can see I'm selling Solana for USDC. Jupiter's interface even provides real-time market rates, so you can see the equivalent amount you'll receive. I have to confirm it in my wallet, and it is done. Now I just have to click swap. This is where you can set limit orders. Here we're working with the SOL-USDC pair. You can see the chart displaying the recent price movement for both coins, which helps give an idea of when to set your buy or sell order. On the right, in the Your Selling section, I've selected Solana and entered the amount I want to sell. Let's start by taking a look at the interface here on Jupiter. Over on the right side, you'll notice the main trading controls. Here we have options for long and short positions, which are the two main ways you can trade on this platform. All right, let's go through the buy or long option first. Select long, and then I can enter the amount I want to invest. Under the leverage section, you'll see a slider. This lets you adjust your leverage. For example, if you choose 2x leverage, it means you're effectively doubling your exposure to price movements. This can amplify your profits if the price goes up, but remember, it also increases your risk if the price goes down. Once everything looks good, I just hit long Solana and my position is open. From here, I can track it on the main chart and see how it's performing in real time. Now let's go over to the sell or short option. This is for those situations where I think SOL's price is going to drop. Shorting can be a great way to make a profit, even in a falling market. I select short. Again, I enter the amount I want to short, and I can set my leverage just like before. The leverage works the same way here. Just like with the long option, every teens is the same. To demonstrate you how it works, I will enter shorts. When you click this button, it will close your position immediately. Station is where users can access comprehensive guides and tutorials on how to use Jupiter. It's ideal for beginners or anyone needing a refresher on platform features. Usage tip: if you're new to Jupiter, start here to understand the basics of trading, navigating the interface, and using different tools effectively. Governance provides access to Jupiter's governance portal, where users can engage in voting and decision-making processes. Community members can vote on proposals that impact the platform's future development. Regularly check governance to stay involved in the community and help shape the platform by participating in votes. Research is Jupiter's in-depth knowledge hub. Here you can dive into discussions, analyses, and detailed research about trading on Solana and trends related to Jupiter. If you're interested in deeper insights and market analysis, research is a valuable resource for staying informed and making educated trading decisions. Jupiter Mobile is allowing users to trade any token on Solana directly from their mobile devices, with seamless swaps and zero platform fees. For those on the go, Jupiter Mobile makes it easy to keep up with trades and manage positions from anywhere without needing a desktop. The bridge feature enables users to transfer assets across different blockchains, allowing them to bring assets from external chains into Solana or vice versa. Use the bridge to bring liquidity from other blockchains into Solana or to move assets out, enhancing flexibility in managing cross-chain assets. This guide is designed for newcomers to the Solana ecosystem, providing a step-by-step introduction to Solana's features and functionalities. If you're new to Solana, this is a great starting point to understand the ecosystem, its benefits, and how it integrates with Jupiter. The LFG Launchpad is Jupiter's token launch platform. Here, users can discover and participate in new token launches, offering early access to promising projects. Stay updated with LFG Launchpad for opportunities to get involved in new projects, especially if you're interested in early-stage investments.